What's going on, folks? It's Steve
and Aaron
with Derelict Depot, and today we're gonna put coilovers on the 07 Mazda Speed 3. We bought a kit off the Jungle website. Allow us to do this so we can alter the ride height of the vehicle because it scrapes really bad on the wheels. But yeah.
And then the other issue too we're noticing is that the old springs on this thing are just tired and done. So this all around is just a good thing to do to this car.
Yes, it is. So that being said, we're gonna roll that beautiful bean footage and get to work.
Hell yeah.
Alrighty, so this is the coilover kit we got off of the Jungle website. It was relatively inexpensive. It was about $300. Comes with new rear springs, new spring spacers with adjusters, adjustable shocks, and adjustable struts with height and spring preload adjustability. So get all this put in the car, should handle way better. All right, so step one, remove tire.
I got a little bit of tension under the spring, so it's happy, ready to go.
All right,
enjoy your seat. Step two, sit on tire.
Need that 17. Is that work light still over there?
Work lights?
Yeah.
You have work lights?
Might be on the back of the truck.
Oh, there it is. There goes the off.
You got tension on it?
Got tension on her. Very important to have tension on it. Otherwise, this is just going to go flop straight down. I'm just nicely easing it out until I'm not. Wow, this side pops out so much easier than the other side. Okay. This one, unlike the previous one, is going to go under the spring and not above the spring. And it has a big old washer and Allen screw for the bottom. That's going to maintain the location. Okay.
All right, now we need
there. And we'll snug her up after. Definitely a two-person job. Okay. And then we're also going to make sure we have the extra bit of spring here in the front, because we've noticed that when this arm's down, this is angled. So by having this extra section of spring here, it just helps make sure she's going to be in place.
I want it out here.
That's fine. Hold on, back that up a second.
Go up a little bit more. No, up.
Oh, up more. Sorry, I missed. I thought you said down a little bit more. A little more?
Yep.
Okay. More.
Yep, more.
Okay.
All right, that's in.
All right.
All right, go ahead and drop that down. Already got that loose, right?
Yep. You got 17 already?
Yep. All right, so now I'm gonna take the shock out.
You all right?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Well, I guess I should have had that under there. All right.
All the way under here. Thought you still had it under there.
I didn't. I thought we didn't need it. So.
13 millimeters right there, Aaron.
Oh, do you already have it with you?
Nope, that one right there. I got my impact over here.
Okay. I was looking for the impact. I didn't realize you had yours already over here.
All right, now we're gonna do the shock. It's two 13 millimeter bolts and a 17 millimeter bolt. Now, arguably, these shocks I'm taking off might be better than the ones we have. They have more adjustability. But they're old. How can I do this on the... There it goes. That one's like...
All way squisher.
Now this time, I am going to... install the shock. Without scratching the car. These shocks are easily adjustable. You just loosen the tension ring and just spin it up. It's pretty simple. Do you know roughly how high I have that other one?
No. We'll grab a tape measure and take a look.
I just want to kind of get it close. I may need to take these out and put shims on it.
Okay, from the top of the plate, from the underside of the plate, when it's touching, to the bottom of the bolt, we got 25.5. Give or take a 1/16 of an inch.
Where are you measuring? From this plate here?
From the plate, yep. The bottom of the bolt. We need to go at least another 3/4 of an inch. I'm going to drop this jack down and pull it out of the way.
No,
No? Okay.
because I'm going to have to push the shock back up.
Well, no, I can put it back in place, but I'm just saying just to measure. Oh, no, I can see it now.
All right, you want to give that a measurement again?
Where's that light at?
It's on the side of the truck, so I can see what I'm doing.
That's a strong magnet.
over a sec. We're close enough. All right, let's slap that back up there, please.
All right, run that jack up a little bit.
Good.
Okay, hold on. I gotta line these holes up. All right.
I'm just going slow. Yeah, we don't have to slow down. Okay. Happy, happy.
Nope, need to jack it up some more.
Okay.
Okay. I thought I saw the whole car lift, so I stopped. That's good.
Okay.
All right. Mine is setting ride height and adjusting the ride height. That's all it takes. Spring pedestal, and an adjustable shock. So I'm gonna slap this wheel back on. You can go ahead and drop that.
Yep.
And we're gonna jack the car up and set it down, see how it looks.
All right, ready?
Yep, nice and easy.
No pressure. Nice. That's probably we got solid 3 fingers. Dude, would you like to take a seat? Because if anything's gonna bottom it out, it's both of us sitting on the back of this thing. How does it look? Nice.
What about this side? Because I'm heavier than Aaron.
A little bit.
All right. All right. Remember, we started off at 25 3/4 at ride height to the bottom of the wheel well from the concrete. Where's the tape measure? Right there. I said I wanted to end it up at about 26 1/2. I'm at 26 3/4. 27 on this side. I don't know if I want to start the front tonight.
It's entirely up to you. If you say that's the backside done a little bit more enthusiastically instead of.
That's the backside done. You'll edit, right?
Oh yeah. Yes, that's why I said something to have you say something.
All right, guys. Yeah, that's the backside done. We've gained 1.25 inches in ride height.
Is going to be extremely helpful, especially with some of the rougher roads, but just in general, we're not going to be scraping tires anymore.
Yep, we shouldn't. If we do, then we got bigger problems. So, just to get a shot of where we're going to work on tomorrow in the morning, same video, but this is the front. And the front right now is currently sitting at, the car's not going to move, 24 1/2 on this side. And about 24 3/4 on this side. So I'm hoping to bring that up about 1 inch. The front doesn't rub, but I'm hoping to bring it up about 1 inch in the front and go from there. It'll be, it'll settle a little bit. It is suspension, So as the springs wear in, it'll settle down a little bit more, so it'll get a little bit lower. But we'll see y'all in the morning. Well, folks, they ended up kicking our posteriors. We got the rear set on. Front set is missing the brackets for the brake lines. So I'm going to contact the company and figure out why. But it's still rubbing. Got the spring spaced all the way up and all that good stuff. So I got to tighten up the upper shock mount and then figure something out because it still rubs really bad. I'm gonna end up rolling the fenders on this car, so hopefully that'll cut down a little bit. There'll be a video on that after the tool gets here to do it. So thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one.